For your safety and the safety of others, please familiarize yourself with Star Park's siren system. If you hear this sound, this is an emergency. Please evacuate your area and reconvene in sublevel 5B per emergency protocol. If you hear this sound, it means this is a test of our emergency systems. Please follow emergency protocol. This sound means it's lunchtime. This sound means a gate in the west quadrant was left ajar. This sound means a gate in the east quadrant was left ajar. This sound means it's time to perform your semi-hourly quadrant gate check. This sound means the gate was successfully locked. This sound means there's an unauthorized mascot gathering occurring on the premises. This is an emergency. I repeat, this is an emergency. Please evacuate. This is not a test.